Hello everybody, it is Andrea coming to you on this overcast, sunny, hazy Saturday. How's it going? We just had an amazing rainstorm which kind of cooled everything down, but because we haven't had it in so long, it dried up like that. Anyways, I want to welcome you to my channel, and if you haven't, I know YouTube has done some things where they're not reminding people, so make sure you hit that notification bell on the video so you can get updated information with regards to any announcements, events, and what's going on. Again, welcome to my channel. My name is Andrea Mason, your certified global voice coach under the mentorship of the legendary Dr. Les Brown. So today I'm going to talk to you about a very concerning and alarming question that I have for everyone. I was thumbing through some of the videos and I was going through some media to kind of see what's going on in the world today and exploring about the mindset of individuals and what people are tapping into. Hold on. And what I was able to explore is that it's very concerning to me that a lot of the individuals today, especially over the past 2 to 3 years with everything that's going on in the world, have either lost their ability to cognitively and courageously think for themselves. It's always based on what the masses are and what one area or one way of thinking is based on. I mean, I want you to really tap into where you're getting your thoughts, your mindset. Pardon me. There's loud people driving because that's how it works, because it's so quiet here. But anyways, where are you stemming your root thoughts up? So we get caught up into having restrictions, limitations, as well as difficulty making decisions on our own. I'm going to keep this brief, I'm going to keep it short and get right to the point. Check out and look at the reasons why you have difficulty making informed decisions after thorough research. Look at the resource, do your research, and make an informed decision outside of the external influences and pressures, whether it be from your family, from your colleagues, from your cohorts, or what have you. Please, 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 I encourage you to share and expand this knowledge to others, as we have lost the ability, capability, and strength to make informed decisions based on research and knowledge. And on that note, I thank you for listening. I thank you for watching. Someone's listening, someone's watching. My name is Andrea Mason, your global voice, personal accountability coach, bringing you daily content every single day and reminding you every second of the day you have a choice to press play. Plan life according to you. I thank you. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next video.